Well, so far, they've all been easy. This one, this one, this one, but this mother effer doesn't want to come out. It's already freaking stripped. I mean, actually, I already took it off. It just won't fucking come out. Fuck it. I'm gonna cut it off. Damn, this was a pain in the ass. Well, I got both of the back ones off. I got both of those off. Got the top one off, and that mother effer right there, he ain't gonna beat me. Tomorrow, I'm gonna go buy an angle grinder, and I'm gonna grind that shit off because I couldn't cut it off with the damn saw. But whoever had this truck before, they modified this shit because I've never seen a bed carriage bolt this fucking big. They're supposed to be this size. I don't know what the hell that guy was doing. I already cut one off, which was the one on the passenger side. I mean, I cut the bottom of that one off, but it still won't come out. But it will tomorrow. Whew, god dang, that mother freaker was heavy as hell. But we got it off. Now the real work begins. I'm gonna have to sandblast the hell out of that. I was hoping to get the front end done today, but I was gonna have to wait. But I didn't know how heavy them fucking beds were. But we got it out. Let's see how long it's gonna take me to do the rest.